I found a magic box. Something is hiding inside. Can you guess? What it is? Let's open it slowly. The magic box. I am red. I am round. I am sweet. And I am juicy. Who am I? Tick 1, 2, 3. It's an apple. A for apple. Well done, explorers. You guessed it right. Another surprise inside this magic box. Let's see what it is. I can bounce. Kids love to play with me. And I am round. Who am I? Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3. It's a ball. B for ball. Well done, explorers. Clap for yourself. Let's bounce like a ball. Bounce, bounce. Oh, I hear a sound from this box. Meow, meow. Let's find out who is in the box. I am soft. I am cute. And I say meow. Can you guess who am I? Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3. It's a cat. Yay! You are amazing. C for cat. Let's see what's next. I say woof, woof. I wag my tail and I love to play. Who am I? Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3. Yes, it's a dog. D for dog. Now, explorers, it's the last surprise. Are you ready? Let's go. I am big. I have long trunk. And I go trumpet. Who am I? Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3. It's an elephant. E for elephant. Excellent. Clap for yourself again. Let's do a quick recap. A apple. B ball. C cat. Meow. D dog. And last surprise was E elephant. Good job. Bye bye. See you all again.